Beneficial cooperations between the Republic of Tajikistan and the Republic of Uzbekistan will open new ways in development of economy and provide the variety of local markets and increase in commodity circle between these two countries. Thanks to support of the supreme authorities of the Republic of Tajikistan and the Republic of Uzbekistan, the Festival of Productive Commodities of the Republic of Uzbekistan was held in April 2017 in Dushanbe city, in which participated more than 160 manufacturing companies of this country. Plans based on agreements of the fourth session of Intergovernmental Commissioner of the Republic of Tajikistan and the Republic of Uzbekistan are going to be actualized step by step. Development and reinforcement of business, economic, and tech scientific relations are considered to be the main purposes of supreme authorities of both countries, and according to this, immediate decisions are made. The purpose of holding Festival of Productive Commodities of the Republic of Uzbekistan in the capital of the Republic of Tajikistan, Dushanbe city, is to speed up the growth and extend business economic relations and enhancing these relations between entrepreneurs of both countries. Based on bilateral principles of equivalence and benefit, agreements are pointed on attracting the assets and cooperative shares. Thinking on immediate solutions and agreement on increase in competitiveness on import provided 160 manufacturing companies such as 400 entrepreneurs of the Republic of Uzbekistan with the opportunity to come to the Republic of Tajikistan in order to introduce their goods and commodities. In opening of festival, the trade center Poytaxt 90, where products of the Republic of Uzbekistan were exhibited, took part representatives of the government of the Republic of Uzbekistan and Tajikistan. Noting that cooperation between these countries are growing and development steps are forwarding towards cooperation of farming subjects and trade fields, and also boundary cooperations. Enhancing bilateral cooperations between industrial and manufacturing companies of the Republic of Uzbekistan and the companies of the Republic of Tajikistan will grant these countries the chance to achieve successes in local production. According to manufacturing company managers of the Republic of Uzbekistan, holding these kind of festivals are beneficial for the entrepreneurs of both countries and provide the future manufacturing development in factories. Those products produced in the Republic of Uzbekistan and exhibited in the festival in the Republic of Tajikistan, including the industry of car production, chemicals, light industry, knitting, electronics, perfume, pharmacy, furniture, transportation, leather and construction products, agriculture machineries, clothes, educational products, and etc. are considered to be industrial and answerable to international requirements. According to information, the amount of money spent for the trade circle of estate and property between the Republic of Tajikistan and the Republic of Uzbekistan in the first 3 months is equal to 23 million US dollars, 13 million of which is for import and the rest for export. Celebrating Culture Days of the Republic of Uzbekistan in Dushanbe city and participation of Uzbek cultures and craftsmen in our country are themselves considered bright hopes toward today and future relations of Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. Smiles and happiness of representatives of the Ministry of Culture of the Republic of Uzbekistan and the Republic of Tajikistan and their meetings and decisions with the representatives and responsible people of the Ministry of Culture of the Republic of Tajikistan are themselves the base for cooperation in culture development between these countries. At the same time, in the lasting Culture Days of the Republic of Uzbekistan in Dushanbe city, the concert of Uzbek singers was arranged in which attended many adherents. Indeed, music and crafts are the language of the globe. Cooperation between craftsmen and cultures of Tajikistan and Uzbekistan provided two brother and friend countries the opportunity to achieve their for so long-term intended goals. Indeed, a very memorable celebration of Culture Days of this country in the capital of Dushanbe doubled the enhancement and broadening pace in friendship and inter-understanding relations between these two countries.